This smart money indicator is very powerful. It basically will show you all information that you need to trade for smart money, follow banker's footstep or even institute footstep for trading. So as you can see, it shows you the value, profitable chips value, floating chips value, and also lock chip value. It also indicates the dead cross, oversell, overbought, and you also can determine how to track banker movement in smart money. So in this video, we are going to go through this indicator, try to stimulate out the best trading strategy using this indicator, and also we will try to stimulate our trading based on this indicator in TradingView. So if you want to try out this indicator, you can check the description link down below and try out it now. So let's start. As a disclaimer, this tutorial is for educational purpose only and does not contain any constitute financial advice. And today's video, we are going to use MCDX Plus by JK633. So basically, red means banker chip, greens mean retailer chip, and we will trace the banker chip for trading. We need to trace the banker chip maybe when the chart shows more than 50% of banker chip is a good trade to start to trade, and it also shows a value on the side. Later we'll go it through, and later we'll try out the indicator with optimized setting, and we also will add additional indicator for support for the trade if needed, and also we'll try out for the profit and loss for this indicator, and we'll use risk reward projection to plot for our projection, and we need to make sure it's more than one so that we can have a reward bias trade in this stimulation. So let's start. First of all, you can open up this indicator in the indicators tab. Basically, you can just search for MCDX plus you can use this indicator by JK633 and you can open it up. If you want to customize this indicator, you can just go to the settings tab and you can customize the indicator based on your strategy. For example, you are trading for a more maybe a lower time frame, for example 1 minute or even 5 minutes. You can lower down this value to suit for your strategy, and you can customize all of this based on your strategy. And if you want to go through this strategy, you can just go to these three dots and press for the description details, and if you go through this indicator, basically it will show the definition, functionality, and how can you use this indicator in TradingView. It shows a quite detailed. You can go through this by in the indicators tab. Basically it shows in the settings and how to optimize this indicator to use for your trading. So let's start. First of all, as you can see, this indicator currently we are using for BTC USD, and it shows a high value of banker chip as is in the graph. Basically it shows 54.6. when the value is more than 50, it's a quite strong momentum for the value when the value is for red color. So basically when it shows more than 50 means that the accumulation of banker chip is quite high and is going for a bullish momentum. So if you want to plan for this area for a trade, you can plan for your long position, and you can just plan based on your previous support and resistance for your trade. So basically the stop loss for short-term stop loss will be at here, the support and resistance based on previous chart, and the risk reward ratio is 1.83, means that we can make more reward compared to our risk, and this will definitely be one of the good trade if we are disciplined using our projection in risk reward. So basically when the price touches down at the stop loss, we need to take a cut loss position. When it's going up, we also need to take a temporary take profit price so that we can have a risk reward ratio for 1.83. You need to be disciplined and backtest for your result. So basically this is how you can trace and plan for your strategy using this indicator. You also can add additional indicator to support, such as maybe MACD or even RSI to support for your signal, buy sell signal. So for example, we are going to find out the next point. As you can see, this area, it shows a oversold area and it shows a increasing in banker chip. So basically, as you can see, banker chip show increasing in banker chip, and we can plan our position at this area. So current position, we'll plan for a long position. So we will take two candlestick. When these two candlestick combines, it will become a doji candlestick. So we will plan for our trade at this area. And for our target price, maybe a short term will be this area. Cut loss definitely will be between this area. When these two candlesticks combine, it will means that it shows a reversal of a doji. You can read this up how to indicate a reversal in doji. So current for our risk reward ratio is 2.38, means that this trade is also good as it is more than one, a reward bias trade when we plan for a strategy. So basically you can just plan a strategy based on the increasing in momentum of banker. So for example, so basically as you can see at this area, it shows a downtrend for banker chip. So basically when it shows a downtrend of banker chip, if your position is at high here, you need to plan for cut loss position if you are at this area. For example, currently your position is at here, you accidentally made a position, so you need to plan for your cut loss for 0.22% as it shows a decreasing in banker chip. So basically this indicator can shows the momentum of banker. It also shows maybe overbought value, and it shows the intersection of 2 points. For example, when this green line is going to a higher value, means that the retailers in green color will be increasing, and the momentum will be a more weaker momentum when green is increasing. So while for red is increasing, the red value is increasing, means the momentum will be a strong momentum in the chart. So basically, because red means the banker and institute big boss are planning for their trade and increasing their position. So basically you can see the chart will be a increasing chart if the momentum of red color bar are increasing. So you can plan for your trade. For example, this shows a very obvious increasing if red momentum. So you can plan for your trade when they are increasing in momentum. For example, after the reversal of confirmation here, means that the reversal shows from downtrend to uptrend. If you are planning a position at this area and the graph is also continuously showing an upwards for red color, you can plan for a position for a long position. So maybe at this area you can plan for based on previous this area, and also cut loss maybe intermediate back support and resistance to plan for your cut loss. Or you want to plan a lower cut loss, you can plan for 2.78 risk reward ratio for reward trade. So yeah, basically this is how you can use this MACD plus to plan for your trade. First, you can see the increasing in banker, the increasing of banker shows the increasing in momentum, and also you can see the increasing of green color means the increasing of retailer. So you can differentiate these two and plan for your trade and plan for your best trade based on your strategy. So yeah, this is basically how you can use this MACD plus to plan for your trade. You make sure that you can backtest this indicator before you try to use in any trading strategy or platform, so that you can be familiar with your testing. And this video serve for educational purpose only. You can try out this. Maybe you can try out paper trading in TradingView before you try any trading in the real trading world. So basically this is all for today's video. You can check these indicators out and plan for your optimized trade. Thank you.